12, girls and boys, come sit down for circle time. Let's start with our calendar song. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year. Our month this year is the fourth month, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and it starts with A, so the fourth month is April. That's right. So we put April up. Now we need to figure out the date. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The date is the 16th. So let's say it together. Today is April 16th, 2020. Now, we look up the calendar to figure out the day of the week. The day of the week starts with a TH. That is Thursday. So today is Thursday. If today is Thursday, yesterday was Wednesday. Good job. So yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. The season, is it fall, winter, spring, or summer? The season is spring, that's right. The weather looks sunny to me out my window. And the temperature is cold. Normally it's not cold in the springtime. We're having a little bit of unusual weather today. But I'm sure it will go back up to our nice spring 70-degree type weather. We're doing the letter Z this week. Zeke the zebra says zzz. And we start at the top line, go across, diagonal, and down on the bottom line. The little Z is the exact same, but it starts at the dotted line, down, across, and down. If you are, I want to remind you guys to still be printing your names each week. Remember, if you don't have the special kit paper, like I do, where it shows you the dotted, the top line, the middle line, and the ending line, you can make it yourself. All you need to do is make the dotted line with the pink highlighter, and then the yellow line with the highlighter, and you can make your own kit paper. So don't forget to practice your names each day and sign in. We're talking about, let's do the Bible first. Our Bible quote for today is for Z. It starts with Zion. Zion hears and is glad. And the daughters of Judah rejoice. Because of thy judgment, O Lord our God, Zion hears and is glad. For thou, O Lord, art high above all the earth. Thou art exalted for above all gods. Psalms 97, 8 through 9. This week we're working on being kind. Repeat after me. Share with others. Look for ways to help others. Always use nice words. Think about the way others are feeling. Make sure that everyone is included in games and conversations. Remember, conversation is just a big word for talking to each other. These are some things you would see at a pond. Here's a stickleback. It's a tiny fish that lives in ponds. A damselfly. Looks a lot like a dragonfly, but it's a little bit different. A frog. A newt. A dragonfly. A toad. Frog spawn, which is another word for eggs. This is what their eggs look like. Water boatman. A tadpole. Pond snails. Water lilies. Pondweed. A pond skater. And cattails. This burl rush is the scientific name, but we always call them cattails. So these are all things you could go. If you haven't done it yet, please go to twinkle.com and get your pond life hunt sheet. If you have one next to your house or a short walk away, you can go check off and see what you can find. I am lucky. I have a little pond in my backyard, which I'm going to show you later, and I have a pond in my community. So I'm going to do a short video for science later so you can see these if you don't have one near your house. Today, let's do the story first. Here's another story that you can make yourself on twinkle.com. It's called Ponds. This is a pond. Ponds are small and have fresh water. Turtles live in ponds. Frogs live in ponds. Fish live in ponds. Ducks live in ponds. Many insects live by ponds. This is a pond skater. This is a dragonfly. Plants like lily pads grow in ponds. Have you ever been to a pond? Now this is a great beginner reader. So if you want to practice reading with your kids, the first half, they're only changing the animal and there's a picture clue. So that helps them learn how to read with the picture clue. And then the lives in ponds. Make sure they point to each word when they read it so they understand that each word represents something. And we do books like this in school, so they should be able to follow along with you the first couple times. And then by the end of the week, they usually can do it by themselves. So go ahead and get your reader at Twinkle. Also, make sure you do the Easter snapshots if you haven't done it. I'm going to print mine this week, hopefully, and have it ready for you to share my Easter with you guys next week. Now we're standing for the pledge. Remember, right arm is up, folded over your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. So for art today, we'll be making fingerprint frogs. So join me later for art.